Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up and manage the product collection. So under products we have to click on the collections to create a new one or edit some existing one. So in order to create a new collection, click on this button, write down the title of your collection or you can say new collection. Then we have the collection description here. If you write down any description here, it will come on the collection page when you preview it once you have done creating the collection. And then there is collection type. So we have two types for the collection. First one is manual and the other one is automated. If you select the manual option, you have to manually select the products so they come under this collection. But in case of automated, you can select the condition. It can be anything. The title contains some certain word and the category is this, vendor's name is whatever it is, tag based, and price, weight, inventory, and variants title based. So you can have different conditions here. It depends on what you would like to have. So I am creating something based on the tag. I am taking a tag as an example, bed. So the products which have this tag bed will come under this collection. So I'm click on save. And there you see there are two products which are coming under this collection because they have this tag. I'll show you an example. If I open this product, it must be having the tag bed. There it is. So even if the tag is not existing, you can create your new tag and add that tag into a particular product and they will come under this collection. That's how automated collection works. So it is generally recommended to have automatic collection since you do not have to go back every time to add a product under certain collection. And in case of manual collection, then you can type in the title, description, and select the manual option and browse and manually check the products that you want in this collection and click on add. So it will be done and just save. That's how the collection works in Shopify. You can add the featured image. It will come generally on the top when you preview it, and it varies from theme to theme. So it will be somewhere here, or you can get it dynamically via code. But that's how the collection works. Thank you.